If Earth ends by a black hole encounter, there will be no warning, no bright flash, no explosion, no sunrise glowing in the wrong direction. Just a strange silence. Then the stars begin to bend. Slowly at first, like a reflection in disturbed water. Constellations twist, stretch, and smear unnaturally across the sky. People record the phenomenon with shaky hands, thinking it's a lens problem or an optical illusion. But the distortion grows stronger. Streetlights flicker. Tides rise higher than ever recorded. Birds lose direction. Compasses spin. And then humanity realizes the truth. Something invisible, massive, and hungry is approaching Earth. Black holes drift through the galaxy silently, leftovers from dead stars that collapsed under their own weight. Most wander harmlessly through empty space, but a rogue black hole, a stellar corpse without a home, can cross paths with our solar system by pure chance. It doesn't glow. It doesn't radiate light. It doesn't announce its presence. It simply bends space itself. As it moves closer, its gravity disrupts everything: planetary orbits, asteroid paths, electromagnetic fields, even the fabric of space-time. Earth becomes a marble drifting toward a cosmic drain. Before the black hole even reaches our orbit, the damage begins. Tides rise to catastrophic levels, flooding coastlines on every continent. Earthquakes ripple across fault lines as gravity stretches the crust. Volcanoes erupt from internal pressure, tearing the mantle. Cities crack, bridges twist, skyscrapers sway violently without wind. The moon's orbit destabilizes, pulling closer, then farther away in chaotic loops. Every living being feels the change. A sense of heaviness, nausea, pressure behind the eyes, as gravity becomes unpredictable. Satellites fall from orbit. GPS fails. The planet's rotation begins to slow. Humanity still can't see the monster, but its shadow is everywhere. As the black hole gets closer, the sky tears. Stars stretch into streaks of white light, the effect of gravitational lensing, where space bends like soft glass. Time itself begins to malfunction. Seconds feel uneven. Machines desynchronize. Atomic clocks lose accuracy. The planet's magnetic field collapses, exposing the atmosphere to lethal cosmic radiation. Auroras spiral across the entire sky, even at the equator, glowing red, green, and purple like a dying shield. And then Earth feels its first tidal pull, a force so powerful it begins to rip the planet apart from inside. The crust cracks open, continents shift, mountains crumble. Earth is entering the point of no return. Gravity increases unevenly across the planet. One side of Earth is stretched toward the black hole. The opposite side is compressed. Oceans rise into towering walls of water, lifting upward instead of outward. Entire cities tilt as the ground beneath them bends. Fault lines rupture at the same time across multiple continents. The atmosphere thins rapidly, escaping upward like smoke. Skies darken. Winds roar at impossible speeds, screaming across abandoned streets. Even light begins to warp. Shadows curve in strange directions, and sunlight bends around invisible contours. Earth is now being physically torn apart. The final stage comes swiftly. As Earth drifts too close, the difference in gravity between one side of the planet and the other becomes catastrophic. This is the process scientists call spaghettification, matter stretching into long, thin strands as it falls toward the event horizon. Mountains elongate, continents split, oceans rise into streams of vapor. The planet stretches until its structure fails completely. Earth breaks apart into glowing debris. Fractured continents, molten rock, and atmospheric gases spiraling like ribbons into the swirling darkness. Then the black hole consumes everything. Oceans, mountains, memories, civilizations, until Earth is nothing more than hot dust orbiting a silent, invisible predator. If Earth ends by a black hole encounter, we don't burn, we don't freeze, we don't explode. We simply disappear, swallowed by an object that doesn't even shine. A quiet end to a loud world. Subscribe to If Earth Ends for the next catastrophic simulation. New videos every week.